Hello. Welcome to the third episode of Journey of a Mobile Application, where we will see how we can make an app from wireframing to the coding part. And this episode is about prototyping. So in the last episode, we have seen this prototype we made using Figma. So objective of this video is to provide some functionality without the coding part, which is called prototyping, and which can be done by. You can see there are three tabs on our right tab: design, prototype, and everything. If we click on this card, we should be forwarded to this screen. Okay, so simply if you are in design tab, simply click on prototype and select this card, and you can see there is a plus icon here. Just click on it and drag to our screen. Drag to our screen. Here you can see function navigate to. So we are telling it to navigate to screen number 2. Okay, we can add animations also: instant, dissolve, smart animate, move in, move out. So let's say smart animate. Okay, is out, and you can change the timings of your animation. Okay, so once this is done, click on this play button, and you will be forwarded to the prototype section of the. So this is our first screen, and if we click on this card, we will be forwarded to second. Right. So this is the prototyping session. Like how we do it with the card, you can do it with these buttons also: complete and edit and delete. And you can create multiple images, multiple screens, multiple prototypes, right? Okay, so this is it for this video, and we'll see you in the next. And if you like this video, please subscribe the channel. It will help us to grow, and it will give us motivation